homemade french fries is good.
Homemade air fried. How is it?
Good.
Good. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share with you the easiest recipe that you can make in your air fryer. And these are homemade french fries. And we did this in air fryer and I just did with 1 tablespoon oil. So I used two techniques here. First I used only 2 potatoes to make french fries. Then next I did with 4 potatoes. So when we did with 2 potatoes, I shared the timing in this video. Watch till end so you will get to know how I did it. And while doing it with 4 russet potatoes, the basket was overcrowded till up, so it took little longer to make it a perfect crispy french fries. To make the perfect french fries, always take russet potatoes. That is the perfect one which you can take. There are so many varieties of potatoes available in the market, like golden Yukon and Idaho potatoes. Lot of other variety potatoes are available. So the best one is this russet potato. So here we take the peel off. It's optional. You can wash the peel and use it in the french fries, or you can discard it off. So I like it without the peel like this. So this is the french fries cutter that I'm going to use. A very handy tool for making french fries. If you want the link to this french fry cutter, I will put it in the description below. You can later refer to it. So here you can see how beautifully these are cutting. Just super easy. Place the potato on top of it and just cut it. That's it. Press with the other lid. It's done. So here I'm going to wash it. Just wash it. No need to soak it. This is a cold water. Just wash it and pat dry it. Place it on a paper towel or normal cloth also. If you have, you can take that to pat dry it. This I made with 4 russet potatoes, so the quantity is little too much. The first one I tried was with 2 potatoes and it was very nice, because very crispy in the first attempt only. This took several time to make it crispier. Still, I will share the timings for both with you. If you are taking 2 and if you are taking 4, I will share it with you. Pat dry it. Next, for the seasoning, we will take 1 tablespoon olive oil here. Add salt per taste. Add the potatoes and mix it well. If you are taking 2 potatoes, 1 tablespoon oil. If you take 4 potatoes, 1 tablespoon oil. Both works. Next, I am taking 1 tablespoon cornstarch or corn flour. This we add to make it crispier. Mix it well. Next, we add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, or you can add paprika. It gives a nice red hue to it. You can see the red color gives a nice red hue to it. Next, we add onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Mix it well. This is optional. I added these two to give a nice flavor to the french fries. That's it. Add to the basket. So when we take 4 russet potatoes, you can see it comes till the top of the basket. It's completely full. So while air frying it, I will open the basket in between and give it a good shake so that all the potatoes are getting crispier evenly. Same you do with the 2 potatoes also. The temperature we use for the number of potatoes we take remains the same. Like we do it for 375 degree Fahrenheit for 11 minutes first. Then last 4 minutes we keep for crisping it. So we will put it at high temperature like 385°F for 4 minutes. So for this potato, the number of potatoes that I took here is 4 and the quantity is large here. So it took around 15 minutes to bake the potatoes, and last 5 minutes I put it at 385°F to make it crispier. I will mention whatever I said here in the description below so you can see the temperatures used here. Now look how crispy it is. Perfect crispy, better than the restaurant quality. You see, we are taking fresh potatoes here. What is your favorite dipping sauce that goes with French fries? Please do let me know in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions related to this recipe or anything related to air fryer, please feel free to write in the comments below. I would be happy to help you out. So the final tip that I would like to share for this recipe is never bake potatoes at directly 400°F. First bake it, then make it crispier in the last few minutes. That's it. That's a very easy and quick recipe you can make in your air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do share in the comments how you like it. Did you enjoy this video or anything you would like to share with me here in the comments. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.